Hello and welcome to Sonia's cookbook. Today we are making whole wheat fried modak with Puran. So let's get started. Add 4 cups of water, half cup washed channa dal. Bring it to boil. Reduce heat to low and cook dal till soft. Cooked dal should be very soft. Add 1 cup of whole wheat flour, half teaspoon of table salt and half cup of water, and add little by little to form a slightly stiff dough. Cover and rest the dough for 15 to 20 minutes. Strain the cooked dal. Transfer the dal along with half cup of jaggery, quarter teaspoon table salt, half teaspoon of cardamom seeds or cardamom powder, and cook the dal till it leaves the sides of the pan along with 2 tablespoons of roasted cashew nuts. Take a portion of dough and apply some oil. Roll the dough. Add the filling, Puran. Shape the dough and seal on top. Fry modak in medium hot oil. Pour hot oil over the modak and flip the modak. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.